In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily pin and unpin a message on Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Messenger app. Then we need to get into a conversation, and after that all we have to do in order to pin a message is just long press on a message we would like to pin, and then down below here tap Add Pin. It says that everyone in the chat can see pinned messages. You can see and unpin messages from the chat details. To pin a message, tap Add Pin. That will pin that message. Now it says pinned, and then if we tap right here at the very top at a conversation name, and then if we scroll down a bit, we can easily find pinned messages. If we tap on it, it will show us all the messages we have pinned in that particular conversation. To unpin a message, long press on it and then tap Add Unpin. Basically, guys, that's how you can easily pin and unpin a message on Facebook Messenger. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.